Welcome to 5 Minute STEM. In this video, we're going to be going over how to write a simple for loop. And I'll have a link down below where you can find this on my website. So in the previous video, we went over while loops and do while loops. And we'll be just taking that same code and putting it into a for loop. And you'll see how much simpler a for loop is, how much more condensed it is versus a while loop. While loops can pretty much do everything that a for loop can, but a for loop is used typically when executing some numeric calculation from one known value to another known value. So in our while loop example, we went from num equals 1 to 10. So we'll show you how to do that here. So for, we can initialize the variable num right within this for loop. So we'll initialize it to 1, and then less than or equal to 10, and then the incremental operator, and then within the while loop in the previous video we did cout num times num and line, and it's as simple as that. And the output is the same as the while loop, but we used far less lines. So in the next videos, we'll be using while loops, do while loops, for loops, and expanding on what we've shown you in this video and the previous video. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.